Numbers don't lie, man. Sheesh. All right, real quick tutorial how to exactly get your PS5 controller to 0.1 or 0 milliseconds. For those that have been asking, quick things I followed that I've done to achieve that on multiple controllers. 5 quick steps. Screenshot this if you want. 2 main ones: download Sweet and Low Driver off GitHub and download X Input Test off GitHub. Super easy. Know how to use Google. Once you get those tools, you're gonna overclock your controller first of all. Open up driver, setup.exe, click all. Seen this tutorial hundreds of times, I'm sure. Do that install service, filter on device, make sure it says 1000 at the end of it. Your controller's overclocked. Next on our list, X Input Test. You're gonna need that later, but just download that while you're on GitHub already. And then plug your controller to the back of your PC into the USB slot that connects to your chipset or your motherboard. I can't tell you which one that one is. Everyone's motherboard is different, right? For me, that's the very first USB slot in the back. Don't just slap it on the top of your PC. You may get different results. That's what I've been doing too. And next, what's next on our list? Edit your settings inside DS4 Windows. So go to your default profile and then start tweaking your dead zone, anti-dead zone for left stick and right stick. Make sure they're both at 0.0. I like to use enhanced precision. Some people like linear. It's up to you. It'll say 0 milliseconds, but it won't be accurate if you run it off X Input Test and they say 0.53, 0.83. It's not all the same, so you want to be accurate. Make sure you get that 0.1 to 0. And the last one for extra snappy and fast control in game, go into your COD settings, whatever your game settings are, drop that dead zone to lowest as you can without getting stick drift. For me, I can go as low as 0.1 even. And then reset your PC, try all these steps again, and you'll be getting these numbers. Because at the end of the day, numbers don't lie, baby. Hope you enjoyed that. People have been asking me since that's my most popular video. PS4 Windows settings tutorial. It's a little bit more in depth. Hope that helps. Appreciate y'all.